just finished work and I'm on my way to see my friend Marie. She's taking me to her office today. So I thought it would be quite fun to vlog and we'll have dinner after. Happy holidays.
Change here for northbound Northern Line service via Bank from platform 3 and southbound Northern Line service to Morden. Is Leicester Square. Change here for Piccadilly Line.
Going dinner in Battersea Power Station. I poke it, sorry.
Meant to poke it, try a bit of this.
Yummy.
The one is bad is good.
Hopefully it will look good.
Good morning, everyone. Can't believe it's December already, another festive season. I'm currently just getting ready because I'm gonna go out to the Christmas market with my friend Adri. We're gonna check out the Sloane Square Christmas market, which is operating by Ralph Lauren, so that'll be quite cool. And I'm just doing my skincare. I'm using the Road Glazing Milk. It's pretty nice. And also using the Road Barrier Restore Cream. I got the mini size in New York because I wanted to check out if that is actually good before I fully investing. But so far, I think they're pretty nice. For my day cream today, I'm gonna use the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream just because it has sun cream, 15 SPF. Maybe it's not enough. Skincare is done and I'm gonna get ready and we'll see you maybe when I go out. So my base makeup is done, but also gonna use the Rhode Peptide Lip Tint and the Peptide Lip Shape. Got a lot of Rhode when I was in New York. Just gonna overline my lips. And the color that I'm using is called Press. And you got another applicator here where you can blend the color. Right. And I have a new color called Ribbon. It's like a baby pink, which is really cute. I also have Toast and Espresso. Can you see the color? I think it's pretty nice. Just gonna wear like a simple blazer and a scarf. Make sure I'm all wrapped up. And I'm ready to go. Pretty simple outfit today. And ballet flats and my classic flat.
Mind the gap between the train and the platform.
This is Victoria.
We're here. I'm gonna find my friend Audrey.
Two hot chocolates, of course you can. Can I get your name, please? Adrian, just to let you know, on top of the hot chocolates, we put on marshmallows, which contain pork gelatin. Is that okay?
You want some marshmallow? Yeah.
Yeah, no problem at all. Two hot chocolates. Is that everything? Just here for me, please.
Thank you.
Perfect. If you wait just a moment, please.
What did he say about the gelatin thing? I have no idea. I think that the marshmallow contains some gelatin and some people are fussy about it or allergic to it.